Let me tell you why the platform app is going to change your life. During Team 25, Atlassian introduced two new platform apps, and in this video, we're going to cover one of two, and we're going to start off with the Home app. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like if you get value out of this video. Right, let's switch over to Team 25. So during Team 25, Atlassian introduced the Home app. Now, home.atlassian.net is not new. In fact, Atlassian has been making a transition to home.atlassian.net for some time now. But what is different is the power that they're embedding into home.atlassian.net. And let me tell you why this Home app is so powerful. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. It's going to do a couple of things. Today, we currently have something called Your Work, where basically anything that's assigned to you shows up in the Your Work section. But there's a little problem. Something has to be assigned to you. And so somebody has to go through the due diligence to assign work to you. Then it'll show up in your work. But the Home app is different. The Home app is going to be smart. And essentially, what this app does, and it's not really an app, it's just another view within Jira. But essentially, what it does is it goes and understands who you are. Remember that teamwork graph, and will kind of surface anything and everything that is relevant to you. So a meeting that you just had, maybe a team had a meeting that you were mentioned in, but you weren't there. Maybe there's a document that needs your input. All of these things that usually get lost in all of the noise of just the day-to-day business activities that happen, all of that magically goes away with the Home app and everything that is important for you. Everything that you need to help to drive progress on your team is all centrally going to be located in one location. And that, my friends, is the revolutionary part because this Home app is just going to be the one place where you go to figure out what do I need to do. And that is truly magical because instead of looking for work, instead of trying to find the Confluence page, the Loom video, the meeting minute, that PowerPoint, that Excel file, anything, that Slack conversation, right? Because there's just so many signals, so many things that are coming at us all day long. And it's so easy to get overwhelmed by where and what you're supposed to do. But with the Home app, it all just comes to one place and you just start going from the top of your list and take care of what's next. So this is a truly revolutionary product that I think is going to set Jira and Atlassian way, way farther ahead of the competition. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe for more.